What's up, everyone? I am back with another video. Sugar's out. Metaplex, Solana, CLI, Candy Machine. Candy Machine's out. Sugar's in. Sugar bait is in. We're gonna check it out. I want to see what they fixed, cause Candy Machine V2 did have some issues, and hopefully they did some fixing. So let's go over it. The Sugar beta is now open to the general public, and it just came out today, May 2nd, and I've been pretty excited to try this out. I've been using Candy Machine version 2 for a bit, and it's pretty easy to use. So it's the first time I'm gonna try it, and I just want to make a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this repo. I'm gonna create a new directory for this in my Solana folder. Call it sugar. Actually, I'm just gonna clone it here. Keep clone. Sugar. Now what do we do? Sugar is an alternative to the current Metaplex Candy Machine CLI. It has been written from the ground up and includes several improvements. So yeah, the thing about Candy Machine, sometimes it will be kind of slow, or at first I thought it was like the Solana network, but it's not the Solana network. I'm guessing it was just Candy Machine, and I hope they've solved a lot of the issues with Candy Machine. So Sugar has better performance for upload of media, metadata files, and deploy of Candy Machine. These operators take advantage of multi-threading systems to signify speed, blah blah blah. Simplified build and installation procedures taking advantage of cargo package management. So yeah, I looked over this a while ago, and it looks like they're not using Yarn anymore. So we are gonna have to install cargo. What does they got? Robust error handling and validation of inputs, including improvement to config and cache files, leading to more informative error messages. Sometimes when I was using the DevNet, I would get like some weird errors. Like it would be like transaction didn't go through in like 60 seconds or something like that. And I'm guessing this is what they're solving here. Because I would get some weird errors, and then I would go on a bunch of forums and try to figure out what was going on. And I would try everything, but I would keep getting the same error. And then I would come back the next day, and then it would just like magically work. So hopefully this solves some of the issues for that. This beta release of Sugar, use at your own risk. So yeah, this is a beta. The mainnet's a beta, and this did just come out today, so it's gonna be very new. The current version supports only systems running Mac OS, Linux, and other Unix-like OS. So not for Windows. So I guess if you have a Windows, you're screwed. I guess you can't use this. Alright, how do we install this stuff? To install, either download the binary, install from Gracias, or install the source. In order to install Sugar from crates.io, you will need to have Rust installed on your system. It is recommended you install Rust using Rust up. So we're gonna have to install Rust. That's what it seems like. So let's install that. Yeah, let it do its thing. Proceed with installation, customize installation, cancel installation. Do I have to click one? One. to configure your current shell run. Now we copy this, paste it, and there you go. Now we copy this and see if that worked. You heard? Yep. We got Rust. Alright, the next step is to install Sugar from crates. Cargo install Sugar CLI. Let's install that. This will download the Sugar code from crates.io and automatically install it for you. What's crates.io? The Rust community crate registry. Oh, so crates is like npm for Rust, pretty much. I'm guessing. That's what it seems like. Install cargo. But instead of calling them packages, they call them crates. Is that right? I'm guessing that's what it is. And that's still loading. I've never actually coded in Rust before. Metaplex is built on Rust, but you do it through the command lines, so you don't have to code everything yourself, which is pretty cool. That's still going. It's installing now. Those are a lot of crates. It's a lot of crates. Let's look ahead for a second while we wait for that thing to load, because this thing's gonna take forever. Look at this thing's not even ready. Sure, we'll use these settings by default if you don't specify them as CLI options. If you need help setting up CLI and creating a DevNet wallet, check the Candy Machine documentation. So I'm guessing if you're watching this video, it's because you've messed around with Candy Machine 1 or 2. But if you haven't, go check out the Candy Machine Getting Started page. This will show you how to set up your wallet and how to set up your URI to DevNet. Create a folder named Assets to store your JSON files. Name them 0 through whatever. Yeah, we know that. Where the extension is PNG, JPEG, etc. Blah blah blah. Same stuff. You can then use the launch command to start the interactive process to create your config file and deploy a Candy Machine to Solana. At the end of the execution of the launch command, the Candy Machine will be deployed on chain. So yeah, and this deploys it on chain. And you know the deal. Sugar contains a collection of commands for creating and managing Candy Machine, Metaplex Candy Machines. The complete list commands. You can update Candy Machine config on chain. Oh. Validate. Verify upload. Withdraw funds. Show the on-chain config of an existing Candy Machine. Configurations. Sugar uses JSON configuration to deploy the interact with Candy Machine. Alright, what's different? Symbol. Yeah, there was no symbol in the old one. You would have to put the symbol on your metadata. SR, price, number, treasury wallet. And now you can add creators in your config now instead. It's cool that they have it over here now. Is mutable. This is similar to the previous no mutable property, but provides a clearer meaning. Creators specifies the list of creators and their shares of the royalties. At least one creator must be specified, up to a maximum of 4. And then the sum of shares must be up to 100. This information used to be located on each metadata file, but has been deprecated since token metadata standard version 1, and therefore needs to be specified version. The list of creators will be the same to all NFTs minted from the candy machine. All right, cool. Yeah. So now you don't have to put it on your metadata. Upload method. Oh, is this thing done? This is still going. How much shit is it downloading? Upload methods. There are currently 2 upload storages, B methods available in Sugar Bundler and AWS. Uploading in Sugar is designed as a Rust trait to make it easier for a few minutes to be added. We plan to release a developer guide for how to do this so we can support a wide variety of upload methods. AWS. Isn't like the whole point of this like to be decentralized or whatever? Why not IPFS? So what if you want to use the DevNet? This thing is still downloading. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Files are only stored for 7 days when uploaded with Bundler on DevNet. Alright, cool. And if you want to use crusty old Amazon, you can do that too. After tirelessly waiting, I finally got to download it. And we can finally go to the next step. What was this next step actually? Whatever, let's get into it. Let's open up the code and check it out. I just want to go through the files real quick. It is all Rust. Yeah, I like Sugar. It's very stripped down from what Candy Machine was. It's stripped down to its bare commands, and that's it. Straight to the point. Cool. Dope, dope, dope. Okay, so now we go here. Solana set config. If you don't have Solana installed, you can go to the Metaplex docs and getting started. It'll teach you how to install Solana. What part is it? I'll leave a link in the description if anyone wants to check it out. But pretty much this is how you install Solana, and then it's gonna give you a path that you have to copy and paste into your terminal. So now I just gotta paste that path and let's see if Solana works. Solana address. Yep. Balance. I got nothing. Solana error drop. Not even one? What? Whatever. I think if I create a new one, it'll let me force. Whatever. This is just gonna be a test address. Solana airdrop 2. What do you mean? Alright, so I'm just gonna send this address some Solana address. Copy this. Send one soul. Sending. Alright, well, we did that. There you go. Now we got one soul. Most of these Solana commands I'm gonna skip over because I already did when I went over Candy Machine. But if you go on these docs, it'll show you exactly what to do. Now we create a folder named assets. I was hoping they were gonna give us an assets folder. Well, I'm just gonna copy Metaplexes. So we're gonna take these files. It's 10 of them, and then we're gonna throw them in there. Yup. All right. So this should work now, right? Sugar launch. There it's going. Starting Sugar launch. Cannot load config file. Would you like to create a new config file? Yes. What happened? Missing field name at field 1. Sugar create config. Wait, what? Is it just a JSON file like last time? Config.json. Because I'll just like copy that over here. And then each NFT is going to be 0.05. There's only going to be 10. What do I call this? PP. We're pushing P. Clear. It's my address, name, address, number. We're gonna set that to that. There's only one creator, so get rid of that. Still nothing. What? Deserialized error. Did they give us an example of the metadata? So I guess Sugar launch doesn't matter yet, or it doesn't matter. Sugar validate. Deserialized error. Check logs for file information. What logs? I keep saying check log. Great. Sugar log. This thing? Missing field name at. Oh, okay. Okay. But I also think it's because I have symbol in here and symbol doesn't go in here anymore. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and just make my own because I don't like the way this is structured anyways. We don't need this. We don't need this. Alright, let's see if that worked. I'm gonna validate it again. That did not work. What the hell? Missing field category. Alright, so they're expecting a category field, I'm guessing. I'm gonna see how Candy Machine has them stored, because this is taking forever. Category image. Does the category have to be inside inside properties? Let me see. Trail comment line 15. Oh. Oh yeah, I think so. Unique category in here. And it has to be the type of category, not of the NFT, but of the file. Alright. Hopefully that's it. No! That's not it. Missing the field symbol. How? I thought there was one more symbol. Alright, here I go. Adding the symbol again. There you go. Now it worked. Sugar upload. Alright, now that they're validated, we can upload these bad boys. Sugar upload. 10 media, 10 metadata. It's doing its thing. It's doing some quick math. Bing boom. Did we get a cache file? It did something over here. Nope. Uploaded. Awesome. We're uploading to Bundler. Where's my cache file? Is it this one? Media hash. 8. Alright, yeah, this is our cache data JSON. Once all assets are uploaded and the cache file is successfully created, you can deploy your items. As deploy. Creators shares must be up to 100. Current total 50. Oh. 100. Deploy. Waiting. Quick math. Successful. Awesome. Alright, verifying. The deploy command will write the information of your cache file to the Candy Machine account on chain. This effectively creates the Candy Machine and displays it on chain ID. And displays its on-chain ID. Use this ID to query its information on-chain using the Explorer. So if we go back to our cache, we get our ID now. Verify. Alright, let's run this verify command. You're good to go. Alright. Our first mint. That's our first mint with sugar. Minting from Candy Machine. Oh yeah. We got our mint. I'm going to bring over my wallet and see if it shows up over here. What the fuck is this? Import private key. Test. Import. Yeah, I'm undoing it. There you go. Numbers 1. A. Our NFT. Mission passed. Respect earned. There you go. Yup. Nice. We got number 3. Cool. Now we can do 3. We do 5. We want 5 NFTs minted. Nice. Let's check them out. Got our Phantom wallet. Loading. Yes, sir. We got him. we're in. That's about it. Cool stuff. Yeah, there's sugar for you. Sugar. So let's say you want to run the candy machine UI that comes with Metaplex. All you would have to do is just go to your cache file, cache, and you copy your ID thing. Copy your candy machine ID. If you forked over Metaplex and have used the candy machine UI, which allows, let's say you want to launch a project with your brand new sugar candy machine, and you just come here, you paste the candy machine ID right there. My biggest takeaway is how simple it is now, and it just looks better. It's cleaner. The commands are cleaner. The repo's cleaner. You don't have to download this Metaplex. So I like the how simple it is now. It's easier to navigate, but you do have to download Rust, and that's gonna take you a good 4 days to download. That thing took forever. That's about it. That's how you use sugar. It's pretty much like Candy Machine version 2, but a lot more simple. The commands are a lot more simple than having to copy and paste those long command lines with TS Node. So if you have any projects coming up in Solana, let me know. I want to check it out. Hopefully someone found this useful. Peace out. Till next time.